Welcome. We are actually in the south of France at the moment, and we're heading to one of our favourite campsites, which is
Camp du Domaine.
Yay! So we'll be there very soon, and we'll film going in so you can see where it is. But this is where we are at the moment.
Unfortunately, we haven't done any filming, have we?
No, we haven't filmed so far because we've just been a bit busy, and it just hasn't been, I would say, worthwhile. I don't know, but we will film on the way back out, and we will do a lot of filming while we're down here.
Yes.
So.
And when we go back home.
And when we go, yeah, when we leave, and because we are going other places when we leave. At the moment, south of France. Be there soon.
The good news is we've just done this trip from Calais to the campsite, and we will have done the whole trip without using any tolls. So the only money we've spent other than fuel is €2.10, and that was for a baguette.
That's €1.10.
€1.10.
Yeah, and we did actually have one toll to pay. And where was that, Dave?
Dartford Tunnel.
Dartford Tunnel. Since leaving home.
Since leaving home. So yeah, we've done the whole trip. We wanted to do it to see whether we could do it, because the last time we did it was a long time ago, but it cost us a lot of money on the tolls. Not that we haven't not got the money, it's just that we thought it's boring going down the toll roads. We thought we'd see a bit more of central France, so that's what we've done.
Yeah, we've taken 4 days to get here so far.
Yeah.
Just stayed in overnight stops called Camping Cars.
Camping Cars has been good.
It's brilliant. You just get a card, put money on the card, and then it's all automated. You just flash your card at the barrier, you go in, and it has services, toilets.
Yeah, well, there's water.
Yeah, water, toilet emptying, grey waste, electricity.
Electricity.
An average around about between 13 and 17 euros per night. Some are cheaper, but mostly around about that price.
Yeah, been really good.
Really good. They're all over France and a few other countries.
So we'll see you when we get to the campsite.
Yeah, there we are for now. See you soon. Show you a little bit of the road we're on.
Take the second exit.
And sat-nav's been not photo bombing, but voice bombing. So this is where we are at the moment.
About an hour away?
Yeah, about an hour away from Camp du Domaine at the moment.
Well, that's where we're going on.
Yeah. Oops, sorry, it's getting a bit bumpy. Nice palm trees in the middle of the road.
Hello and welcome. We're out and about again. We arrived yesterday at Camp du Domaine, which is the big seat behind us. We had a bit of excitement yesterday, didn't we?
No, it wasn't excitement, it was horrible.
The
Excited.
the sat-nav decided to send us on
On a stupid wiggly road that wasn't big enough.
which was, if anybody's done the Black Nabar or the Applecross Pass, that's like the M25 compared to the road we was on yesterday. So it was a bit stressy, so by the time we were sort of going to film to come in here, we just gave up and didn't bother to do it.
I was just so pleased to get here.
Yeah, we were. We wanted a drink, and we needed a bit of a
relax.
A relax. Rightio. So what we did was we got booked in at reception, which is behind you. I'll show you that in a minute. And then we went to our pitch and we got set up, and we basically just about died, didn't we, yesterday?
We did. We didn't do anything really.
It was a pain in the what's name at all ends up.
So we got up early, had a swim early, and been for a bit of a walk.
Right.
And now we're going to show you around.
Yeah. So hopefully you'll enjoy the place. It's awesome, isn't it?
It is awesome, but it's very, very hot. How hot is it, Dave?
It's like hot.
Phew.
Very, 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 very hot.
It's like we're slugs.
Yeah. We're leaving a trail behind us as we walk.
Yeah.
So right, we'll show you around.
Right, so reception.
Reception's there. Nice big car park at the back here, so you've got somewhere to pull up.
That's the front. The entrance is over
there in the corner. So you can pull up there, get parked up, and then basically we send you around where that blue van's going. And it's all registration number activated. So if you haven't paid to get in, you don't get in. And the barrier just lifts up.
Brilliant.
Yeah. So you've got a bar which is back there, which is over there.
Yeah, tennis bar and tennis courts.
Stuff like that. We'll go the right direction soon.
Yes.
You've even got somewhere to wash your motorhome. Look, how many places have you been to where you've got somewhere to wash your motorhome?
Yeah. It is a massive site.
Yeah.
We have been here before and we think it's brilliant, which is why we came back.
Yes, it was pretty awesome, wasn't it?
Yes.
So you've got all these things if you want to be enthusiastic.
Yeah, there's which we're not because it's too hot.
No, sod it, and that's not us at all. Is it?
No. There's that doggy.
There's a dog in the back of that little
trailer.
This is the walkway down. Luckily, thank God it's under cover. This takes you down to the supermarket, the shops and all the bars and what have you. So we'll put you back on again when we get there. Right, they do these like little lodges. I don't know if you see them very well. There's a lot of little lodges up in the hill.
Yeah, you can rent those out.
Yeah.
But most of the bottom bit by the sea, that is a campsite.
Yeah, there's lots of camping pitches in the trees, which is pretty good. So if you want a bit of shade, that's pretty good.
Yeah, there is a bit more shade further down, isn't there, through the trees?
It's going to be nice spikes up. A bit of Valentino Rossi there. So you've got another pizzeria here.
Yeah, I think there's 3 or 4. Can't remember.
Yeah, that's another bar and something.
Yeah.
So when you get here, you can find out for yourself. Because we can't bother to go and have a look. It's too hot. Too damn hot.
It is well into the 30s, probably mid to late 30s.
Yeah.
I would think.
At least 3:15.
So if not 3:30, it's gone 3:30, is it?
Is it that?
Yeah, late 30s.
Oh, right, yes, of course it is, yeah, late 30s. Yeah. So, yeah. All good. So, lots and lots of pitches. But you do really have to book very early.
Some of these is not so bad in the trees, they're further back from the beach,
Yeah.
but we wanted to be in the open for satellite signal and close to the beach because we're lazy. And it's good because you can walk straight into the next town across the beach.
Yeah, and that's really, that's Lavandou or something like that. You might know.
No,
Like that.
not that.
Isn't it?
Can't remember what you call it.
Anyway, that's where we are.
Lavandou?
No, that's further up.
That's up, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't. We can't pronounce these names, but it's something like what Dave said, I expect.
Yeah, not anything like I said, but a bit like I said.
Yeah.
It's got those letters, but not necessarily in that order.
Anyway, there's a port.
Yes.
Nice harbour to wander around. There's loads of shops and restaurants.
So we will be doing that in a few days.
Yeah.
Probably not tomorrow.
No.
Okay.
Well, we might, but we'll probably find our way around before we film the bits for you to see.
Yeah. So where all the shops are and everything. Very pretty around here. We've got a spa, and so you can go and get a massage and bits and bobs like that.
Yeah, it's hairdressers.
Yeah.
Coiffeur.
Yeah, I've been there. Well, I looked in.
Okay.
When you were shopping this morning, I looked in, thought, that's what they do.
Shopping for our washing tokens.
Yeah, shopping.
Yeah. Yeah, there are laundrettes here. You get tokens from the restaurant.
Right. This is you got another picture of it here.
Yeah.
This is the shop.
Which is open there.
45 to 12 p.m. 16:30 to 19:15. Open every day. This is the site, and I'll show you. This big.
Right.
You just point out where we are.
No, because I can't reach.
All right, we're there.
Right.
We're 95.
A59. We are.
Yeah, somewhere up there.
Yeah, it's the second one in A59.
Yeah, there.
Anyway, and that is the sea.
So you can see how big it is. Reception is what's reception?
Uh,
Down there.
right.
Yeah, reception's
That's
there.
reception.
Yeah, reception.
And we've walked down here,
Yeah,
and we are now
there.
there.
The bar and restaurante. So we're going to have a little walk down to where we are, show you onto the beach, because we ain't walking around there because it's too hot. It's too damned hot. Anyway, there you go.
Yeah, but we will show you the beach.
We will show you the beach.
Right, restaurant, bar, pizzas,
Yeah, another one there.
everything's here that you could want.
Here looks lovely. We might end up being there
Yeah.
at some point.
And this is all your toys for the beach and bits and bobs you want.
Yeah, lots of toilet blocks or sanitaire. This is all
And this one is open all day, I think.
good, yeah. All sorts of goodies in there. You always get one of these little gazebos.
Yeah, every picture has a gazebo on it.
Yeah. So we'll walk down here and then walk down.
Yeah.
towards here.
We're not going the direct route, we are meandering a little bit.
You can just about see the sea through there, all looking blue and lovely. I think if we go down this way we went yesterday.
Yeah, no barbecues.
Strictly no.
I think you can rent fridges and freezers here.
Yes, you can. I do believe.
I think they bring them to your pitch.
Yes. And to be honest, if you've got a motorhome in this temperature, you will struggle to get it to run properly. Unless you've got a new stylish fridge or something, because it really does struggle here, doesn't it?
Yeah, but on the plus side,
It's hot.
the shop, I was going to say, the shop is really well stocked and everything seems very fresh every day.
Yeah.
They have fresh bread, fresh fruit and vegetables, freezer
cooked on
compartments.
site, the bread.
Yes.
So there's another sanitaire here.
Yeah, you get your bread in the morning, it's lovely and warm.
It is, yeah, it's lovely. Oh, and they do lovely apple donuts.
They do. They do lots of mini donuts with different fillings. We just got apple ones that were lovely.
They were very, very nice, weren't they?
Yes.
So a nice big sanitary block. Ain't going to do in there.
No.
They don't do reviews on toilets.
No. The washing machines are €3.50 each, which is very cheap. And obviously there's no dryers here because you don't need dryers.
Yeah, we leave toilet reviews up to Bormes-les-Mimosas.
Yeah. But they are good here anyway.
They are brilliant. So you can just see the beach over there.
And that's the harbour beyond, which is over
There.
yeah.
And then round
Inside
that
the water.
corner is a place called Lavandou. Or probably not pronounced like that.
No. But
that's
it's
how
spelt
it
like
looks.
that.
Yeah. This is all people do, is they put their awning out and that's it. You just want to be shaded. You don't want to be putting any awnings up.
Not the sides, you don't want like blow up awnings with lots of sides on. Just the basic canopy.
Yeah. Because it is hot too hot.
It is hot, it's everyone.
Really,
Right.
really hot.
Because it doesn't matter what size picture you have, they all seem to have these pagodas on.
Yes, they do, yeah.
So even if you haven't got your own awning, you've got shade.
Yeah, that's somewhere to work.
They all have water and electricity, don't
Yeah,
they?
they do, yeah. Somewhere drainage as well. It's spot on. Got good drainage there.
So we just bring our hoses and attach them.
They do. the way we walked up.
We do our best not to film children, which is why we go a bit round the houses sometimes.
Not that we've got a problem with children, we just don't like them.
No, I don't think it's right to film children because they're not our children.
Big old vans there.
Yeah, there's some massive ones.
All set up.
With our Lincolnshire flag.
Yeah, look at that. Lincolnshire flag up there. Flying high and proud.
And this is our baby.
This is it. So,
We walk round to...
yeah, we'll walk round to the beach. All these plants, all over the place. What's the bench? Is Dutch. 2 metre
Looks
length.
like it, yeah.
See, it's quite busy.
Are you going down to the lagoon or... No, do the lagoon another day
Yeah,
when
we're
it's
doing
not so
the lagoon
busy.
another day. So that's the beach, and the campsite goes on for a good,
A few hundred yards at least.
quite a long way down there.
Yeah.
Probably half a mile, quarter of a mile, and down that hill. That's really, really good.
Just wondering, can you see the Lincolnshire flag from here?
Probably, if we go that way. We're right on the edge of it.
If you walk this way, carry on, you get into the little town.
Yes, and it's all like this. Well, and
Easy
it goes into
walking.
a proper boardwalk, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
There we go. So
That's where we are.
that's where we are, right on the edge of the beach. So anyway, we're going to call it a quits for today.
Yep.
So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. There'll be a lot more to come.
Yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, so we'll see you again soon. So say bye, Susie.
Bye, Susie.
Bye now.